Hello everyone, my name is Mohd Shadman and I am from Delhi. I have done BTech in Computer Science from Veera Engineering College, Bishnor in 2022. After that, I was searching job in different online platforms, but unfortunately, I was not selected in any company. Then one of my friend told me about Evision Technoserve, a 3 month internship program. Then I was joined Evision Technoserve 3 month internship program, where I was learned about virtualization, Windows administration, CCNA, cybersecurity, ITIL, and many more. The teachers of Evision Technoserve are very helpful. They provided me uh, very clear and very short period of time better education, and they trained all the concept cleared at the time, and when I was stuck they provided me the easy and better approach to solve it. And after completed 3 month internship program, then Evision give me the opportunity in multiple interviews. Then I am selected as a network engineer in CI Infotech as a package of 2.5 LPA, and I thank for Evision for provide me this opportunity and uh, for my bright future. Thank you, Evision.